Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a very beneficial video on IELTS writing module. Well, guys, in IELTS writing, there is a type of essay. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Okay, so this is one type where they ask you for your opinion. So today I'm going to tell you how to write a good essay. And by the way, the essay which we are going to critically evaluate, this essay has been written by Cambridge IELTS examiner. I have selected this essay from Cambridge IELTS book, and this essay has been re-evaluated by another Cambridge IELTS examiner. Okay, so this video will teach you full pattern, sentence structure, vocabulary to write good essay. So let's see what's the topic. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. When we meet someone for the first time, as you read the topic, imagine when we meet someone for the first time, we generally decide very quickly what kind of person we think they are and if we like them or not. Now, what's the topic? The topic is when we meet, we are judgmental. Whenever we meet someone first time, we decide immediately whether the person is good or bad and we should meet that person in future or not. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Is this? Now, what do they mean by this? This means meeting someone for the first time and deciding very quickly what kind of person that guy is, right? So, whether we like them or not, so this thing is good, or we need to give them some time and then we need to decide whether the person is good or not. So should we be judgmental when we come across someone, or should we give them time and then we need to make our opinion? This is the topic. Give reasons for your answer, include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience, and write at least 250 words. Now, we go through this topic and I'm going to tell you how to do it. So first we've got this first paragraph. And this model answer has been prepared by an examiner as an example of a very good answer. Very good answer is band score 8 or 9. Some people say that we form an opinion about a person within 30 seconds of meeting them. Introduction, general sentence about the topic. A person's clothing, facial expressions, and even the way they shake hands can have a profound effect on our judgment. Okay, so first sentence is general sentence, second sentence promotes the previous sentence. But is this natural human tendency good or bad? And there is the question mark. Now, people who say don't write question mark in your essay, this is Cambridge IELTS, okay? This is Cambridge examiner who's written a question mark. So, in introduction, examiner has not concluded, examiner has not given opinion. But is this natural human tendency good or bad? First paragraph completed here. Now we've got body paragraph. There is something unfair about our inclination to judge people too quickly. So it means he's going to write about the negative side of being judgmental. There is something unfair. For bad, he's used the word unfair about our inclination to judge people too quickly. Many people have had unfortunate life experiences that can affect their confidence when meeting new people. Okay, shyness may make them appear aloof and cold. Appear aloof and cold. See, this is very good idiomatic phrase, comma. But this initially icy persona melts away. Icy persona melts away. See that? Very good vocabulary. But this initially icy persona melts away when we allow them a bit of time to warm up. Wow. Excellent use of language, idiomatic expressions and all that. Others do not have the means to dress in a way that leaves an impression. Inevitably, if we write people off too quickly, we could miss out on potential friendships, business opportunities, and even romantic relationships. Okay, all right. So, write people off. Write people off means we write what kind of person that is. Write off, idiomatic phrase. Okay, we call it phrasal verb as well. So this paragraph is really good. I would advise you to handwrite this essay and read it several times so that you could just copy this structure, paragraphing, vocabulary and all that appropriately. There is another side to this. See that? There is something unfair. Now, there is another side to this that is also worth considering. See, this is a very good sentence which can be copied in any essay. We are all aware of the effect first impressions can have. There is even a saying, and then there is that colon. There is even a saying, you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. So now he's talking about this first impression and deciding whether someone is good or bad. Awareness of this reality should motivate us to always treat people in a friendly, respectful manner. Full stop. If we strive, now these if sentences are very important. That's what I say. Compound, complex and conditional sentences, 3 C's. If we strive to make a good impression on the people we meet, it increases our overall happiness and sense of well-being. So, see that? Good thing or bad thing? We discussed both. On balance, see that? This is a very good phrase. On balance, there is no doubt that judging people too quickly can have negative consequences. But knowing the power of first impressions can keep us on our toes, motivating us to question. This is like there are multi phrases or multi sentences here. Okay, multi clauses sentence. This one is. But knowing the power of first impressions can keep us on our toes, motivating us to question how we come across to others. Aside from this, the ability to read people quickly could also prevent us from being easily taken in by somebody with ulterior motives. Okay, so the whole essay is very well balanced. Okay, and the writer has taken a middle approach. Is it good thing or bad thing? The writer has said it is good, but it may be bad also. So this approach is also very good one. There are 4 paragraphs and this essay is very well written. Now let's see, there are comments from another examiner. This response presents both sides of the argument and the ending concludes that forming impressions early can be either positive or negative. So this is a very balanced essay. The second paragraph presents the downsides of judging too rapidly, the impact of low confidence, being shy or not having smart clothes. It also notes that people could miss out on friendships, opportunities and romance if they judge too harshly. Third paragraph is not entirely relevant. That's what I thought. It's not entirely relevant. The question asks about the evaluation people make about the kind of person and whether we like them, but this paragraph mainly gives advice on how to behave when meeting new people. It should be more aligned to the question and present the advantages of forming early impressions. So task response, third paragraph of the essay is not that relevant. Okay, keep that in mind. There is a very wide range of vocabulary with some higher level items affect their confidence, aloft, I see persona, strive to make, come across. So this is high 5 vocabulary. Overall, the response includes a variety of accurate, complex grammatical structures with many long sentences containing a number of clauses. So if you want to get 7 band, 8 band, you need to write long sentences with a number of clauses in them. Okay. Vocabulary and grammatical structures are very strong, accurate and flexible throughout. To improve the response, the third paragraph could present more clearly the advantages of quick decisions about the people we meet. Okay, So, I mean, this is how you need to see your essays, and after reading the topic, you need to plan your essays like that. And this is very good that essay written by examiner, evaluated by examiner, this can give us good insight into essay writing. And by the way, you know, YouTube is full of essay writing gurus, right? Some essay writing gurus, they are saying like, before my classes somebody got 5.5 band and after my classes 7 band. Some gurus are taking benefit of their being native speakers of English language and they are teaching IELTS and all that. But anyways, beware of all these so-called gurus and, you know, people who say this candidate got 6 band before and 7.5 band after and all that. I mean, Cambridge is the standard and you can learn or you can teach yourself all these things. You don't have to pay $100 or $150 for all that stuff, okay? All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.